Welcome to the Great Taste of Las Vegas. Here's today's segment. Okay, we're gonna make vegetable. Vegetable is very important in your diet. So I will show you air fryer vegetable, quick, easy for your every meal. Today, we're gonna do hard to cook vegetable and more difficult to cook carrot like this and Brussels sprouts. So we put them together and get the amount that you want for your family or for yourself or your husband and wife. All you do, rinse it quickly. The little bit of water going to help a vegetable to stick together, and put them into a basket like this for cooking. So for this, you season just a little bit of pepper. Most importantly, for them to stick together, you put about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just rub over the vegetable like that. And then start to just sprinkle, for example, because they're going to stick together with oil in there. A little bit of salt, pepper, salt, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of onion. That's all you have to do. So now just move them around to distribute them in this, the spicy and the oil mixed together. So you don't use a lot of oil, easy to clean and stuff. So now they all have some coating there, right? Oils and Brussels sprouts. Put them right into the air fryer like that. The oil and some water that you wash, you're going to cook that very good, evenly out here. See, like that. Turn on your air fryer. For the hard to cook vegetable, you go for 8 to 10 minutes. So when it comes down to 12 minutes, check it. Now it is 8 minutes exactly. You can take it out now. Let's look at our products. Look how gorgeous they cook right now. Look how nice it cooks. There's a little bit of the sauce left in there, see? All of that oil, water, plenty of it. Your sprout cooked perfectly. Look gorgeous and tastes healthy for you. So please continue to do easy cooking, smart cooking, modern way, so you can have a healthy diet, but doesn't take a lot of time to cook. And the recipe on my channel will help you to be healthy and lose weight as well as tasty. Healthy Brussels sprout and carrot, all cooked and delicious. 8 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's segment. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, I hope you live healthy and happy.